unboxing of a Fotga DP500IIs. Follow focus. Got the extra 65 tooth gear, a rubber ring for the pins, that can be changed to an actual full ring adapter. In the meantime, we'll give it a whirl, see how it works by itself. Bit of that. Excuse me. And this would be the gear. Okay. Just want to make sure that you want the thing. What do you look at? Okay, once you get that, you can always take scissors to it. Show my manliness, he said in a weak voice. Alright, there's the gear. And it came with the thumb screw, the little collar, and the bearing or bushing or other toothed collar geared. And set some go all in there, attach it, and then this should be the rubber flex gear adapter. It's not as bad as I thought it might be. Got a little fixing toothed kind of thing there. So that looks pretty good. This has me a little worried. It's on the side of the box, as you saw right there. And I'll cut the finger off. Yes, it is. Got a case, good. Didn't think it wouldn't fit, you know. Okay, nothing in there. Nice little case there. And very nice looking. Very new. It's a B&W 77 circular polarizing MRC. So got that there. And piece of resistance. In fact, I'm going to turn this over. This is the Fotga. Bundled. Make sure I don't cut anything pertinent. Cross tape there, man. That's some good tape they used. Ow. Okay, right out of the bag here. And there's the actual rail system with the camera platform and tripod mount or head platform or platform. Get this scratch in transit. Kudos. Appreciate it. The rest of this, I don't know. Oh, the actual, sorry, autofocus mechanism itself. Oh, and it already came with the dang gun. Oh well. At least I got a spare. So that's comes with that. It would be the hand crank is optional. That would be for probably this when it's assembled. As the case may be. And the actual phone to us. Make sure we're still recording. Yep. There's that. It's very nice, feels good in the hand. It's AB stop, hard stop, and then AB, which is anywhere on there. Very nice on that. So it seems to be not turning. Don't like that. This one locks like it's supposed to. So this one, on the other hand, is stripped, which is or wrong size, one of the two. Definitely looks stripped though, and it feels stripped. It doesn't even try to lock in. Great. Alright, well, back to where we came from. Adios. And disaster averted. Was able to switch the set screws from one ring, one of the stop rings, to the other, and for whatever reason it works fine now. So I've got the follow focus set for beginning and end. So this is one C100 Mark II with the 24-105 lens, Canon, and it works very, very smoothly actually. It's going to make those minor changes. Right now I've got the large wheel 65 tooth gear on it. It's a 65 tooth, and as you can see, Canon point and shoot. So anyways, very, very smooth. Unless you're reefing it, it's no quieter or no noisier than using your fingers on the ring, which is to say quiet. So the only thing I don't like about them are the plastic screws here on the base plate, and lack of a provided 3/8 inch, I believe it is, screw on the bottom with a deep enough, shank or whatever you call it there, to make it past the plate. So I'm going to have to find something to do that, and it's not that big a deal. I was able to do a do-around. It's quite stable, not very heavy at all, compact, and overall I'm actually looking forward to using it now. I was looking forward before, but now that it's attached on the camera, and even more so looking forward to it. So no return, and the polarizing filter works great. And I'll do some test footage with the follow focus here through the evening and tomorrow. It's going to take a little practice, new muscle movement, muscle memory. So yeah, very happy. And I'll give a little review on it a little later, and you'll see test footage with it in action, or the results of. and that is a Fotga DP500IIs with the 65 tooth drive gear, larger of the two gears, optional. And it is all hooked up underneath or on top is a C100 Mark II from Canon with a Canon 24 to 105 millimeter lens, and it's the L series. And then we got the this is the standard base plate going straight down to the one provided with the Fotga rail system, and that is attached to the what do we got here? Manfrotto 502H head, and that one worked out quite nicely. And like I say, the only thing I don't like are these ones are nice aluminum screw, little thumb, whatever you want to set screw things there, and crank screw. And this is just plastic, unfortunately, which is okay because you don't want to really reef too hard, and it doesn't take much when you got 4 of them in there. It seems to be quite stable. So definitely very happy, and it's very smooth. And the set screws work just like they're supposed to. So now I won't go past the infinity mark to where the camera has a hard time obtaining focus on objects. If you go right up to the infinity mark, then it focuses alright, or as good as it's supposed to. Once you go past that infinity mark, it goes whoop, 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 back and forth, trying to lock onto something for some reason. So, very happy, very happy. Alright, YouTube. I'm turn here.